Okay, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. So arise. To make something come from a lower place. Emerge and to become obvious. Obvious and clear. 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 Yes. It will arise from the east. The answers can slowly arise as you read. It will arise from the ashes. Yes, empires arise from the ashes of older empires. Of old empires. Older empires, yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? And it only arises from hope. Say the answer. The answer only arises when you have enough hope. Hope for change. Hope for something to happen. Yes. It can arise when you least expect it. When you least expect it, it will just happen randomly. It can arise very randomly. Randomly. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So I arise, you arise, they arise, it arises, he arises, she arises. Makes sense. Yeah. So I will arise from my seat. From my seat. Arise from my seat. How cool is that? You need to arise from your, slumber, from your seat too. You need to stand up. They arise from their lair, their cave. They arise from their lair, their cave, like monsters. Yeah. How cool is that? So he will arise. Arise. A champion will arise. He arises from the champion will arise. He arises from the common people. Common people. How cool is that? Yeah. She arises from nowhere. Just from nowhere. Just from nowhere. From thin air. Just from thin air. Yeah, she arises from thin air, like a from thin air, like a gust of wind. Just here it is. How cool is that? Very nice. So, the city was raised, slightly different, raised from war. Arise, it was raised up from war, or destroyed in this case. I am arising it now. I'm bringing something up. Yes. The weapons. The legendary weapon is arising. From the lake now. Arising from the lake. Yeah. Will you know how to arise it from the rubble? Will you know how to build? Will you know how to rebuild the house from the rubble? How can they build it again? Yeah, it needs to arise from the ashes. Needs to arise from the ashes. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Arise. Arise. How cool is that? Yeah. Arise. Arise. Sir Lancelot. Arise, Sir Lancelot. How cool is that? So, I rise, you arise, they arise, it arises, he arises, she arises. To make something come from a lower place. Yeah. So, can you use arise in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write that sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More lessons to come, more videos to come. And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.